TDK.
This money doesn't have a lifeline. A&R. So when it all comes crashing down, when it all comes crashing down, when it all comes crashing down, will you hear the sound of silence?
People talking down upon me, they trying to do the most, so I just looked up at the clock so that I could feel my pulse. Is death near? I have no fear. I hear them talking in the air, and if you hear the sound of silence, then I know my God is near. I hear them talk, I see them stare. Deep inside it's cause they care. Feelings we don't want to share. Ain't even living for this life. Waking up to some fresh air. The pain that we can't bear. 3 heartbreaks, you feel the tear. Well, just know that I do care. Crashing down, but I don't care. Fuck it, let's play truth or dare. Or which one will be a pair? Instead of dissing me and talking down, you should have said a prayer. You should have said a prayer. Instead of dissing me and talking down, say you'll be here. Yeah.
So when it all comes crashing down, when it all comes crashing down, when it all comes crashing down. So when it all comes crashing down, when it all comes crashing down, when it all comes crashing down,
Yeah, money can't bring my homies back. Rest in peace to my homies, gotta say that. Can money bring joy to life? Give you that special girl that you call wife? That don't sound right. Praying for a better day every night. Nothing guaranteed in life like money and a wife. When my life has come crashing down, I'm not gonna have my head down, my head up high, cause I know soon my life will be on the rise. Don't got no time to cry. Money don't have a lifeline, so when it comes crashing down, I'm gonna make noise like a skyscraper falling down onto the town. No sounds of silence, just really loud up in the sky like a cloud. Chasing my journey to make my family proud.
This money doesn't have a lifeline. So when it all comes crashing down, when it all comes crashing down, when it all comes crashing down,
A.